ready to unleash the power of custom apps without drowning in code. Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison: Zoho Creator versus Bubble. First up, ease of use. Zoho Creator shines with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it simple for beginners to build basic applications. Notice the visual builder. It makes designing forms and reports a breeze. Bubble, on the other hand, offers a steeper learning curve but unlocks unparalleled customization. Observe the intricate editor. It allows for pixel-perfect design and advanced logic implementation. Feature-wise, both platforms pack a punch. Zoho Creator excels in workflow automation and data management, while Bubble boasts a robust plugin ecosystem for extending functionality. This table will give you a side-by-side glance at their core features. Now, let's talk money. Zoho Creator generally offers more affordable pricing, especially for smaller teams. With predictable costs, Bubble's pricing can become more complex as your app scales due to its workload-based model. Scalability is crucial. Zoho Creator handles moderate growth well, but Bubble's infrastructure can support more demanding applications. Consider your long-term growth plans when deciding. Finally, integrations. Both platforms offer extensive integration capabilities. Zoho Creator seamlessly connects with the Zoho suite, while Bubble provides broad integration possibilities through APIs and plugins. Ensure your chosen platform integrates with the tools you already use.